All right, guys, we are back. We are back at the store. I don't know what day this is, but we are here to try out our new green paint for our accent wall. We just want to see how it looks. So we got our paint here. We got this sample from Lowe's for like $4. Pretty big sample. We actually took something off of the floor, some type of spray, because it was the color that we kind of wanted to go with, the green, and they actually color matched it. So we're gonna see how that looks today. We're back in the store. We talked to everybody. They said that if you look, the leak looks like it has stopped, but I know for a fact that the AC hasn't been on.
Temporarily stopped.
Yeah, temporarily stopped.
And it will be permanently stopped when the part comes in.
Yeah, so it'll be permanently stopped.
Let's turn on the AC.
Let's see what happens.
While we're gone, so we can see, it was 170.
Yeah. Yeah.
And just let it see what happens.
See if it comes back, because we don't want to be responsible for that. So as of right now, we are not responsible for it. They're here to fix it.
So you're saying paint on this?
Yeah, we're gonna paint on that. We can also paint on the white as well.
Where?
Anywhere on the bottom, because we're gonna end up going over it anyway. So we just want to see how the color looks. You know what I mean? So they're coming. We talked to the landlords. They're coming to re-sheetrock this, re-sheetrock the back, finish this door trim. They need to put
Some baseboards.
Yeah, they definitely need to do baseboard. So there's
I
a
got a lot to do
yeah, and then getting all of these things out.
tomorrow.
Supposedly, they said that they're gonna get all this out tomorrow. No, the sheetrock is that's sheetrock right there,
Oh.
which they need to just go ahead and put back there. And then there's more sheetrock back there. So that's what they need to do. Let me go get the paint. Oh, see, yeah, that's exactly why I didn't want to bring it in, because they already got their own paint, and I don't want them getting our paint mixed up. So, luckily we get to keep the lights. They also need to patch up stuff like that over there. You notice the AC didn't even kick on.
Did I not turn on?
You turned it on, it didn't kick on. Yeah, it didn't turn on. They probably have it off.
How?
What do you mean? Because they don't want it to run. Yeah, it's off. But that's the AC guy's problem, not ours.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the paint. Shelly's gonna mix it up a little bit, shake it up a
I
little
hope
bit.
I don't get it on me.
No, it's okay.
Oh, is that their gray paint? That they
Probably,
want?
yeah.
Professional interior designer.
Well, whatever the color is, that's on the outside is the color.
Oh, right. They leave that black paint. They can keep that.
Yeah, where is it? Oh, all over there. Most of that is black. Oh no, that big thing right there is black. Yeah, that'd be dope if they left it. No, you shouldn't get it on you.
I wanna
Looking
put
for
it
some
somewhere
paper?
Like,
Here, let me get you some paper. Here, let's put this in.
we'll have you on camera still in boxes. We got you on camera still in boxes. Okay.
So this is the color. It's pretty accurate. Like what you guys are seeing on camera is pretty accurate to what it looks like in person. Wipe it off. So.
I know, give me a second, baby.
Oh.
Wish I got the little brush. So I can stick
Yeah,
in
it's okay.
there. Just do it
Yeah,
right
just,
here.
yeah, just do it.
Ooh.
So that's what it's gonna look like.
Well, this is a gray.
Yeah, that's not
Oh,
white.
We gotta do it on the
Yeah.
white. That's not cute on the gray. Where you wanna do it? Somewhere like in the corner?
Yeah, you can do it in the corner. I can't see. Oh, yeah.
This
You don't like
is
it?
too dark.
It's too dark. Watch out,
On what?
you're in the light. Yeah. You don't like it?
I don't know. Let me do a little bit more. Let me see.
On camera, it looks darker than it is in person.
Tell.
When I hear it looks light. It's definitely green, bright green. But I think unless you have like a neon color code, we won't get the neon look we're looking for.
You think this is good? I like it.
It's green, but I don't think it's the neon green.
Will we ever find the neon green?
We're gonna have to source it. I think it's a good green.
Yeah, because that's what it looks like on the white.
Yeah.
So that's a good match. Maybe it'll work. I don't know.
Yeah.
We'll come back tomorrow
See how it is?
and just see. It doesn't look good and great.
No, not in there, but yeah, I guess let us know if you guys like it. Let us know if it's green enough, if it's neon green enough, because that's the color that we're going for. But we had it mixed up at Lowe's. Still a little bit of issues kind of mixing it up because they had to color match it to something. And then they had to, and luckily we ordered the sample, not the full gallon, which was so much smarter, but it's hard to find. So if anybody out there knows how to get neon green paint, please leave a comment down below. I'm gonna definitely jump on IG and see if we can find people who maybe mix paint, or maybe we have to go with a different type of paint. I know Chelly found some things on Amazon that we might check out and see if those are the right ones. Maybe we,
What's the one we want? Maybe, let me see.
I don't know the paint code for a neon green. Unless we just painted that green and then maybe ran LEDs to shine on it, to kind of
Yeah.
green it up.
So kind of like that, right? Is that what we're looking for? Or no? Yeah?
Maybe. That. What does that say?
That was like fluorescent green
Fluorescent, yeah.
with that's, oh, see, like that.
Yeah.
Neon green powder coating.
Oh,
Powder coating paint. So something, oh yeah, that's not even close. This is what we're looking for.
yeah. This green came out almost like grass green. That's what we're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
That right there.
What is that noise?
I don't know what that noise is. Let's go see what that. Are they drilling?
Yeah, that is
I don't know what that noise is. Yeah, so we just got to keep searching. Got to keep searching for the color.
this. Leave it here.
Oh, take what?
Take this.
Yeah, we got to take it. Yeah, we damn sure don't want them taking it. They're gonna see the green, so that's fine. Oh, okay, that's smart, wrapping it up. And then yeah, so we got that green, and again, we can keep it. Maybe we can just apply it to something else. Everything doesn't have to be 100%
Yeah.
super duper match. At least we got something.
Mm-hmm.
So that's gonna be it for this video. They did definitely turn off the AC. As you see, that's not leaking anymore, but they still have a lot to do. So they're gonna finish up there, finish all the back walls, finish around the door, and then the baseboard. So that's a lot easier than before.
Yeah.
This is a ton of stuff to get out.
What is this thing?
I don't know.
Look, it looks like,
It almost looks like flooring.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's flooring.
Not this one.
I don't know what kind of flooring they were gonna do.
Yeah.
If they were gonna take up this or not. I don't know, then we still have to come in here and clean a lot, so,
I don't know, there's still a lot to do.
yeah. Hopefully they're as fast as they were for our store, you know?
I need to get Foster over here.
Yeah, hopefully they do it as fast. If we would have been offered this one from the beginning, we'd be done. They didn't want to offer it to us, they wanted to give it to a smoke shop, but then the church and everybody didn't want to be right next to a smoke shop, so they're gonna put the smoke shop over there. Smoke shop's gonna take the place of the sandwich place.
No, smoke shop's gonna be our place.
No,
That's what he told me in our meeting when I went and signed the lease.
Well, who did I talk to after that said it's gonna be, wasn't it Joanne? That said, yeah, I talked to Joanne.
She said they're gonna put these in there, but he said that they're gonna get that space because they're not in a hurry and it's away from the school and it's away from the church. It's over there. By the
Oh, okay. So she's saying they're just gonna store it there for now. Well, why would they store it there instead of just putting it in the?
Everybody here is fucking retarded. I mean, sorry, everyone here is retarded. We already know that.
Excuse her. She don't know how
Nobody makes sense.
not cuss. Anyway, yeah. So you can see her frustration. So that's gonna be it for this video. We're both starving. We're just trying to get stuff done. But these are the things that you go through whenever creating your own business. We definitely learned a lot. So the next location that we do in spring will be very, and in Conroe and everywhere else will not go like this. We will definitely be going through new builders, a new place, if we don't buy the building ourselves. Yep, so that's it, guys. You could tell by her face. She's upset, so we're going to get something to eat. Peace.